Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be making cupcakes with my ow, that's hot. Today we're going to be making best friends
Best friend cookies.
I can't talk. We're going to be making best friend cookies. I think it's cookies.
Yeah,
Anyway.
cookies.
Yeah, it's cookies.
All right,
Yeah, cookies. So I was right for once.
Right. Let me get a bowl.
Okay. Yeah, someone's gonna use this for paper towels. I'm just gonna do a dance right here.
So,
And you got in the way.
sorry.
Okay. It's just really close to the camera. I don't want it to get food, or I don't want it to get stuff.
What the heck?
The heck? Is that like?
Oh, it's powder. It's like sprinkles.
Oh, nice. I got powder on myself. I'm gonna take my watch off. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put it in my bag.
Alright, so we need 1 stick of butter. So we need butter, eggs, and water. So just got the whole thing. Okay. So we got the eggs and the butter. Let's start this. Alright, we're just gonna put the egg over here and just get the butter.
Okay.
Oh,
Jeez.
Okay.
Okay, what do we need?
First, we need some water.
My hair's a mess. It's probably because it's like still kind of wet.
Okay. So, I'm sorry. My hair.
I want to do your hair. Can I do your hair later?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then,
Friend moments.
How many eggs? Ugh.
One.
It smells like cheese.
Why? Where did the thing go?
Oh, wait, hang on. Let me see what that bag says because like,
Where did the bag go?
hang on. Let me find the bag.
Where did you put?
Put the what?
Where did you put the instructions?
I think I. Oh, it's right.
Oh.
All right. So
How many eggs do you
eggs? 1 egg.
need? 1. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we just need a stick of butter.
Stick of butter. Butter. I'll hold it for you.
Get in there.
Oh, and oh. Okay. Is that it?
Yep. Okay. Now we just need some water.
I'll just put this. I don't know where to put this.
Put the lid on it and you can put it in.
Where's the lid? Oh, there's the lid.
The lid was over there. It was supposed to be.
Yeah, well, I see that now.
Alright, now we just need to get we're just gonna use a regular fork
I don't
because
know where this goes.
just put it in the refrigerator somewhere. Alright, now we're just gonna mix. If you want to, you can mix. Oh, your friend's up there.
Yeah, my friend's supposed to. Yeah, I want to mix it. Oh, and
Here you go. Okay, let me read the instructions. Alright, I'm gonna get this. Okay, for 1 piece.
Oh! If you can't clean it up, don't mess it up. Oh, nice.
Alright,
Nice.
so let's see.
Okay.
Let's see. Alright, well,
This smells good.
I
It
know.
smells good.
Alright, do you want to get the oven ready?
Yeah.
Now I'll start mixing some more.
Heat oven to 35 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you don't know how to do it, I will do it. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, here, come on.
I'm too dumb.
You're not dumb.
Yes, I
Alright, so what
am.
we're gonna do is put it
Okay. She's doing the
time.
oven. Well, I mix because
So
I'm too dumb to do the oven.
we need another
We need another what?
another stick of butter. So can you go get
Another stick of butter. Okay. Bro, that just looks so weird. I have a hole in my sock.
why do you have a hole in this?
I don't know. But I do.
Okay, that's heating up.
Do you not have like any sticks of butter?
No, we just have that kind of.
Okay. I don't know what to use to get this.
Huh?
I don't know what to use to cut.
Just get a spoon or something.
Okay. This spoon?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We can spoon. Okay.
I'm just joking. That was like an ice cream scoop thingy. But what are you doing?
Alright. Okay, we got this. Alright.
Okay, you get the butter. Because I'm too dumb. And I'm just gonna mix this while you.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine. I'm gonna mix this while you do that.
Alright.
We're kinda.
Let me see it.
I'll put this back in the fridge along with the eggs.
Okay.
Ah! Why does your fridge do that?
Do what?
It like sounds like it's broken.
I know, I hate when it does that. This could actually be a cake or something.
Yeah, it could.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is
We could possibly make it into cupcakes.
I
Like
don't
we
know.
wanted to do at the beginning.
Yeah, I don't know if we have cupcake mix though.
Oh.
But I don't even know if we have. Well, that can technically be cupcakes because I have a cupcake pan.
Oh, okay.
But I don't think.
I'll just continue mixing that, even though it looks like it's mixed. Kinda. It kinda has like chunks in it though, so I'm gonna keep mixing it.
Okay. I know it's oil. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take this pan and spray this into this.
I think it might be mixed, but I'm gonna keep mixing it anyway because it's the only thing I really know how to do. How much you need to spray in there?
I was just making sure I got all of it down. Okay.
Okay. I can pour it in.
Wait, okay. Be really careful with it.
Okay. Here's this.
Tastes like Jolly Ranchers.
Oh, it does? Nice. Tell me when to stop. Cause
Alright, stop.
Okay.
Because we gotta get more of that. And
Yeah.
It's about. Stop. Alright,
Okay.
get over here. Alright, stop. And then get over there. Stop.
We should probably be using like a spatula or something to get it out.
That's
with.
fine. Alright. Now just use the rest. Alright, stop. And now we can just fill the rest up if we have enough. Alright, fill that one up. Not trying
Oh,
to
the
be-
bowl's in the way.
Yeah. Alright, I think that's enough. Okay.
Skirt.
So now the timer's about done, and this is already getting heated up. Alright, I think that's enough.
Ah, it's dripping.
Alright, just put it in the sink. Alright, okay, so after we got that.
You can watch. Yeah. Are you gonna?
Huh?
Okay.
Alright, we just gotta wait until the timer is up. Okay, so what? I don't think we have
This
enough
could be
time.
the sprinkles for our cupcakes instead of our cookies.
Well, yeah, cupcakes. Save that.
Flour juice.
I swear, if I had something else that I really wanted to cook, I was gonna say.
Where is the sink? You have the water in it?
I already put the water in it.
Okay, go.
And then that is at 5, so we just gotta wait a little bit longer. I'm gonna check here, see if there's any.
Okay,
I don't.
okay, so we're gonna need to bake it. This is for cookies.
It's okay
So
because I already got it.
Are we gonna like bake it and crack at the same time?
I guess.
Okay. Well, it says 8 to 10 minutes.
So that time is about up. And I have found. Wait.
I'm just gonna keep.
Okay, we're gonna have to mix this so it can be like, you know, the toppings for the cake.
Yeah. This can be our whatever frosting.
Yeah.
And then this can be your sprinkles. Yeah. Right. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna
I don't know what to do.
Now we just wait.
Okay.
Can I play on your phone? Yeah. If it doesn't die.
Since mine is recording.
Guys,
I like your
her
phone.
phone might die.
Yeah, my phone is at 7. So it might die, it might not die. I don't know. Bro. You have Class Dojo?
Mm-hmm.
I want to play this. But yeah, now we're just waiting for a couple of minutes.
3 more minutes.
3 more minutes, she says. Why is there a toothbrush here?
What
I
do you
thought
mean?
this was supposed to be a keyboard. And there's a toothbrush right there.
I guess it's supposed to like scrub in between the...
I guess so. I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting stuff on your phone or not.
It's okay.
Okay.
That's Keely's case anyways.
Oh. And then, oop. I mean, it's kind of a cool case. What do they have on their pan?
What?
It was green.
Let me see.
I've already cleaned it now, but...
Oh.
Oh. They're trying to do math on there.
2 more
And you-
minutes.
Yay. I want cupcakes now.
We're already gonna eat
That is loud. Oh, that's a lot. Why do you need so much stuff, man?
What?
Look, that dude has so much. Oh. Well, but you have like so much stuff. Like, I swear. Why are your dishes so dirty? Look how dirty this person's dishes are.
Yeah.
I know. Like, shouldn't the dishwasher clean them for you? Oh, I'm literally just putting them in the dishwasher.
I'm just gonna start putting this in.
Okay. We can watch her put it in. Don't burn yourself.
I'll try not to.
Your head is in the way. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, we'll get back to y'all later, I guess.
Yeah, like for part 2.
Bye.
Bye.